My night skincare routine with my secret hero product for my glassy looking skin. Hello Choosies! For my night routine, I start with the Centella Asiatica Facial Foam Wash. This gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities from a long busy day. Plus, may cooling effect pa kaya super refreshing gamitin bago matulog. Step 2. Centella Asiatica Toner. This suits my skin, helps with redness, and preps my skin to absorb the next products better. Pwede nyo itong gamitin with cotton balls, pero ako, I just use my palms and gently tap it on my skin. Bonus tip, this helps stimulate blood flow and collagen production sa face. Step 3. Centella Asiatica Serum. Ang ganda nitong serum kasi infused with aloe vera and AHA. Nakakatulong ito para mapasmoothen ang texture ng aking balat, fade acne marks, and calm irritation overnight. Also, pro tip, don't forget to apply the excess serum on your neck. Before we proceed to the next step, kailangan lang muna natin magantay ng ilang segundo para mas maabsorb ng ating skin ang serum. Step 4. Moisturizer. Ang Centella cream na ito ay lightweight but deeply hydrating, keeping my skin soft, plump, and repaired while I sleep. Maisingit ko lang, alam nyo ba na powerhouse ingredient ang Centella Asiatica sa buong mundo? Ito kasi ay proven and clinically tested na nakakatulong mag-heal ng damaged or wounded skin, kaya worldwide favorite siya. Okay, going back to my routine. Step 5, Pecas Remover Cream. Ito po yung kinukonsider ko na secret hero, the Pecas Remover Cream with Retinol Palmitate. Ito ang secret ko for my glassy skin and pag-minimize ng aking pores. This targets dark spots, renews skin cells, and supports a more even, glowing complexion over time. Take note, twice a week lang dapat itong gamitin at pea-size lamang ang ilagay sa buong face. Hindi kailangan na madaming cream dahil potent ang ingredients nito. Napakatipid pang gamitin kaya ang isang tub is good for 6 to 12 months na. And Choosies, here's my gentle reminder. Manage your expectations. Walang instant magic sa skincare. Hindi ka kikinis overnight, pero with consistency, glowing and healthy skin is possible. So that's it, Choosies. Thank you for watching, and here's to achieving your glassy skin too.